Greetings, citizens. Due to a recent purge in my very own Ministry of Media, we're a bit short on artists for propaganda posters. So I propose this to you. We are having a contest, an art contest. So we're asking you to design some propaganda posters for us. They could be for the military, demanding the need for more soldiers. We have many territories to occupy and we need more soldiers. Or they could be for our civil services, including my very own Ministry of Media, as you may have gathered. Or maybe they can just be promoting the wonderful life that many live underneath the Empire. It is your choice. There can only be 2 submissions per person. Forms of entry can be drawings on paper, digital art, maybe even Photoshop if some of you are capable of that. Entries can be posted to my channel's Facebook page, which I will provide a link down below, or if you post it on some sort of art website, you can send me the link from there. The contest ends on the 1st of September, so there's plenty of time to work on it for many of you. I hope to have a first, second and third place winner for this contest. The prizes will be a glowing review and shout out to their channels. Well, that seems to cover it. If anyone has any questions, just leave them down in the comments and I will answer them. I hope to receive lots of entries. It seems to be a rather easier contest than the stop motion one. Even if you're not that good at drawing, it's good to give it a try. You could try out some simple designs or something like that. There's plenty of examples of propaganda posters on the internet that you could probably look at. Goodbye and good luck.